This is something very, very special and interesting if you're into Bitcoin. This envelope, which I got in the mail from Blockstream, Canada, contains Lightning stickers, or the stickers that I bought from their Lightning Store, or the Blockstream Store. This is the first store that uses Lightning Network for payments and uses Lightning Network for payments exclusively. They do not allow you to buy with regular Bitcoin payments even, but only with the Lightning. And the whole purpose of this shop was to set up a place where you can actually buy some goods using the Lightning Network. It's kind of like testing, but not really. Testing on the mainnet and testing with real goods and real money. But yeah, I ordered these quite some time ago. Don't even remember. Well, I think it was almost a month ago, maybe. There were some delays with the delivery because I suppose they were out of stock and demand was... They sent an email saying that we're sorry, this is taking so long, demand is unprecedented and so on. And I completely believe them. It is not easy to actually buy stuff from the Blockstream store because you have to have a Lightning node to pay. And the most popular Lightning node, which is the C Lightning, it's only for Linux, and you have to compile it yourself and hope that it works. And then you have to have a Bitcoin node, a regular Bitcoin node, fully synced up, which is 300 gigabytes or so. So you have to jump through a lot of hoops, and maybe most likely this process is way too painful and complicated technologically for a layman or just a normal person who might be interested. So I suppose there was some speculation going on, and some people were buying these up in bulk, these stickers and t-shirts and whatever they sell. They were buying them probably in bulk, in large numbers, and then reselling them on eBay or something. Because I would not be surprised even a little bit, knowing how speculatively greedy and disgusting people in the cryptocurrencies usually and often are. So probably there was some secondary market shenanigans going on why it took so long. So yeah, this is the envelope anyway. This postmark with some deer or something, some Canadian wildlife. And I taped this duct tape over my address, although it's quite funny because my address is literally public on the internet on a million places. And they have these funky, unfairly cheap, decentralized, like stamp-looking things, which are not actually stamps, they are just printed on. And I suppose... Oh shit, I just doxed myself. Okay. Wow. What is that? I didn't even order this. Looks like I'm getting some freebies. Oh, I got Lightning working. And all I got was this sticker. Yes, this is very accurate. You have to go through all this headache, and all you get is some stickers or t-shirts if you were bold enough to order something more. So I got 2 of these. All I got is Lightning, and I think I got my other node is a satellite sticker. This is referring to Blockstream satellite program, where they are supposedly, and I'm not entirely familiar with this, but I think they are sending they are planning to send satellites which would help to sync up blockchain in places where the internet connection is weak or non-existent. That's quite out there. but that's what they're doing. You know, it's the crypto industry. People have way too much money. So yeah, I got these 3 stickers which I ordered. Each of them I think cost $2, if I remember correctly, or $1.99 or something. And I got this one for free. This is just an absolute win. And with all this waiting, well, I finally got these, and actually it wasn't really straightforward. Even disregarding all the compiling stuff and having a fully synced up node, I do run a Bitcoin node. That's not a problem, but the problem was that the actual software didn't really work initially, and I had to go back and forth on the GitHub and raise an issue with it, and eventually it worked. So it's very early stages. The software is definitely not mature. I wouldn't say it's mature at all. I wouldn't even say it's complete yet. But can you do it? Yes, you can do it. I have done it. I finally received these, and I'm happy, even though, of course, Bitcoin price right now, as of March 29th, is falling. But I don't really care, as my cost basis is low.